I created this animated kids story video using just one prompt. After doing some deep research, I discovered a brilliant way to make high-quality animated kids videos without spending a ton of time or money. Before this, creating these types of videos meant using a bunch of different tools. One for writing the story, another for generating AI images, a separate tool for animation, one more for voiceovers, and then you still had to edit everything together. And on top of that, you'd be paying for each tool separately, easily adding up to $100 or more per month. But in this video, I'll show you the all-in-one tool that handles every step of the process. With this tool, you can create all types of stories. I'm saying kids' stories, adventures, mysteries, and way more. It also keeps your characters consistent throughout, can make videos up to 30 minutes long, and the best part? These videos are fully monetizable on YouTube. So, if you're ready, grab a coffee and stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'll show you how you can easily create these videos yourself with just a couple of clicks. Okay, now let's get into the action. This super tool is called Magiclight, and trust me, it's going to save you tons of long hours and struggle. The best thing is that the creators made this tool very easy to use. All you need to do is give it one prompt, and it'll do everything for you, basically making you a CEO. To launch it, just click the link in the description and sign in with your email. Once you do that, you'll land on this page. Like I said, it has a very simple and easy-to-use layout. So, let's start this train going by clicking Create AI Video. Now, here at the prompt section, we've got two options. You can either type in a prompt or paste in a story script if you've already created one. In this video, I'll use the Generate from Prompt section, and I'll do that with the help of ChatGPT. Just pop this prompt in and boom, you'll get 3 amazing kids' stories. Then just pick the one you like most. I've also dropped all the prompts we'll be using today into the Google Doc below, just to save you some extra time. Now, copy the story you picked and paste it into the prompt section in Magiclight. Next, select the aspect ratio. Speaking of ratios, please like the video so I can pay my rent. Anyways, you can either go with the long video format or shorts. For this video, let's go with the landscape option. You can also pick the video language, but I'll choose English, of course. We also need to pick the video style. As you can see, there are a lot of different options like anime, 3D cartoon, realistic, and many more. For this video, I think the Disney style option works best. So let's go with that. Once you've selected the style, just click on AI Generate. As you can see, the AI creates a full story script and breaks it down into multiple scenes. With each scene, you get a new image. You can also adjust the number of scenes here if you feel the story needs more or fewer changes in scenery. Just make sure each scene runs for about 5 seconds. That way, the video stays engaging, not boring. Basically, keep it long enough to tell the story, short enough so no one opens TikTok mid-video as one does these days. Once you're happy with everything, just click Next. Alright, now that we're done with the content checkpoint, let's move on to the cast. Here you can either make your own character or pick from the ones already built. The nice part is, once you set a character, it stays consistent through your whole video, which is more than I can say about my Wi-Fi when I'm just trying to play a little COD. But I digress. Let's focus on the mission at hand. Go ahead and click Edit Character. You'll see a bunch of pre-made options, but for this example, I'll show you how to create your own. Just hit Create. All you need to set up are the character's demographics and a short description. As always, I made the process just a bit easier for you guys. Here's a ChatGPT prompt I made as an example. Drop it into ChatGPT, and it'll give you prompts that fit your story. Honestly, it's like having a casting director, except this one works for free and doesn't demand oat milk lattes. Then just copy those into the character prompt box and click Generate. Pretty simple, right? After that, just repeat the same steps for any other characters you need. Okay, let's continue to storyboard, the part where your video finally goes from sketchy PowerPoint to maybe I could actually monetize this. This is where we add the main elements of the video: background music, voiceover, and AI-generated images. And as bonus, I'll also show you how to animate the images to enhance your video, and that way have a better chance at crushing the competition. First, voiceover. There are many voices to choose from. Pick one that complements your story the best. Okay, nice. So the last thing to do is the images. On the left below, you can see the images that were created and also see the script and prompt used, creating them. The best part is that you can simply click Regenerate if you do not like how the images came out. By clicking Regenerate, the AI will create completely fresh new images for you. Finally, as I said, animating the images can make your video really stand out. To do that, click Animate and choose your preferred animation. For this video, we'll use Animate Pro. You can add a prompt for the animation, or if you're lazy like me, just click Intelligent Generation based on the screen to let AI handle it automatically. Repeat this for all scenes. Okay guys, this is fire. You can also preview the voiceover for each scene individually to ensure everything flows smoothly and change voices if needed. Once everything is polished, click Generate Video, select the ratio, and enable subtitles. Okay, now cue the 30-second clip of the final result.
A shimmering portal opens, revealing a hidden jungle teeming with bizarre flora and strange sounds. Clock-like patterns adorn the bark of trees, and vines sway like pendulums, creating a surreal, mechanical rhythm. Gear-winged parrots squawk amidst the ticking and whirring, adding to the jungle's symphony of strangeness. Leo and Lila step into this world where nature and machinery intertwine, their faces reflecting wonder and curiosity. Drawn by an unseen force, they venture deeper, following the faint pull of the key towards the heart of the jungle. Before the colossal golden clock tower, Leo and Lila confront time itself, frozen amid a tangle of roots and gears. The air hangs heavy, the silence broken only by the unspoken challenge of the clock's immobile hands. Lila approaches the ancient stone wheels, her brow furrowing as she confronts the cryptic symbols etched upon them. Leo circles the tower's base, his gaze sweeping over the complex network of gears and levers, seeking a solution. "I think these are riddles," Lila declares, her voice echoing in the stillness. "And we need to solve them to get the clock working again." The weight of time rests upon their shoulders as they face the enigmatic challenge, the fate of the clock and perhaps more hanging in the balance.
Oh, and one last thing. Subscribe and watch my other videos so I can pay my rent.